connector in the product default steps, we created a new checkbox, send product as inactive on initial export. By default, this checkbox will be inactive to the false, and in this case, during creation a new product, all the products that will be created in Shopify will have status active. When we set this checkbox as active and click on Save button, all the products will be sent in status draft, and you can change the status manually. So let's see how it works. Let's try to create a new product. As we can see, the status is active. Let's save, create inactive product, mandatory field, and save. Now let's wait when the jobs will be status done, and go to Shopify. And here we can see that our product, inactive product 1, has status draft. This is how it works.